Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to download a Oracle virtual machine or virtual box software in your PC and installation steps. Here go with the Google and type the virtual box Oracle. Here you will get the first link virtualbox.org. Click on the first link and you can see the bigger image of the download option. Click on the bigger image. Here you can see the various platforms as you wish you want to download. I am selecting the Windows host. Click on the Windows host option. I already downloaded the software because I did not require to download the software again. After download completion, right click on the software and select the Run as Administrator option and select the Yes to proceed the installation. Click on the next. Proceed with installation now. Click on the Yes. Click in the final installation button. The installation is in progress. It takes some time to install all the components of the VirtualBox. Here you can see the Start Oracle VM VirtualBox is after installation. Click on the Finish. Here you can see the Oracle VirtualBox Manager has been installed successfully. This is the part 1 video. Coming up next video, I will show you how to host a new VirtualBox in the Oracle virtual machine. Thanks for watching.